With our data client, you can connect to any of your databases online or on premises if running enterprise software. First, select the required connection from the list of SQL database connections. On your left, you will see a navigation tree with all database objects where you can select all of your procedures, tables, and processes. Or you can use a search bar to quickly find database objects. As well as tables, you can also find procedures. This basic procedure will allow you to filter the table with product categories. The value I passed to the procedure is now stored in the URL and can be easily shared to another device to replicate the results from this procedure on their device. Going back to the previous tab, you will see the table we searched for earlier. When multiple elements of the grid are highlighted, you will see a summary in the bottom right. You can also quickly apply filters to the columns. Any value from this column can be filtered with. For example, this will now only show data from the USA and UK. More filters can be applied simultaneously, further condensing the data. All filters can be viewed from the bottom left and can be individually removed. All filters are saved in the URL, so users who receive the link and are permissioned to view the data will automatically have all filters applied. Worksheet Systems allows users to easily import data using a number of file types, including comma-separated values. First, go to the Import CSV button, then select the file you need to be imported, select the database you wish to import to, and name the table. Deselect any columns which you don't want to be used as primary keys. The table field and source field can be altered if there are slight discrepancies between the columns if merging two tables. The next column shows data types which are automatically assigned, but can be altered. Size shows the size of varchars. Functions can be applied to columns to pass data types, add text to a column, or automatically generate unique IDs to a row. Data can be previewed and then imported. Now the table will be added to the database. Worksheet Systems allows users to choose between light and dark modes when using Data Studio. There are many versatile ways to edit fields in Worksheets Data Studio. For example, for quick and easy single element edits, you can simply select the element, enter its new value, and save. Or, if you wanted to change all the ship modes to the UK to delivery truck, you would select an element with delivery truck, right-click, and fill all rows. You can also use SQL to precisely edit various fields. To begin, right-click the table you wish to edit and select the first option. You will then have an SQL template with a select statement and a list of all column titles. From here, you can edit the code and finally run it. This sample code will increase the unit price of all elements with the product subcategory of paper by 20%. Then, you can save these changes to the database by pressing the icon on the top right and Save to Database. Then, deselect Create New Table, select the connection where the initial table is stored, and select the original table and import.